and welcome back to Northern Waters Cleansing Co.'s YouTube channel. If you've been following me for even a little while, you would notice that herbal, sort of botanical type products are not really my thing. I'm not a huge fan of essential oils. I'm not a huge fan of putting botanicals on top of soap or in bath bombs. I just, personally, I don't like the feeling of the botanicals on a soap. I do not like things like floaty things in my bath. So like I'm definitely not the type of person that's going to be using like a bath tea, for example. That's just so not me. And so I typically don't make products like that either. However, today, just today, I thought I would step outside of my comfort zone a little bit and make a bath bomb that it uses both essential oils and it has some botanicals in it. A lot of people enjoy, essential oils and botanicals in their cosmetics products, and I can sort of see why. They tend to look like very elegant. So this bath bomb is no different. I used peppermint essential oil, and then I used dried coneflowers as just sort of a little embellishment on top. And the resulting bath bomb is really quite pretty. Here and there, I have customers ask me, can you do more essential oil soaps or more essential oil bath bombs? And while it isn't really my core niche kind of product, I love listening to customers. Customers are why I'm here and why I'm doing what I do. So more than happy to try out a bath bomb using, a couple of things I wouldn't normally use. I've used the bath bomb press again for this spherical bath bomb, and this essential oil behaves like really well. It's not like if you've seen the previous video about Unicorn Dreams bath bombs where I mentioned I have to jack the oil content of my recipe. In this case, with the peppermint essential oil, it behaves really well. So I hope that you stick around and check out how I make these beautifully simple botanical and essential oil bath bombs. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.